Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and in front of us we have probably my biggest and heaviest Master Lock padlock. This is the Master Lock 15. It's a big 65mm laminated steel padlock, hardened steel, shackle, 10mm, really chunky, weighs quite a lot actually. It's very heavy in the hand. Opens as you'd expect with quite a powerful shackle spring, and because it's quite a deep lock, it actually has a 5-pin core, which is actually, I guess, a step up from the 4-pin cores that some of the smaller laminated Master Locks have. So yeah, it's like I said, it's one of my biggest laminated Master Lock padlocks. Don't see many of the number 15s here in the UK. I don't really know why, and I got this one new old stock, henceforth why it's got the Tough Under Fire sticker still on it. Another thing is it appears to have some anti shim locking pulls. They're sprung, so they would be depressed if they were depressible. If you put a shim down here, they would just hit a flat surface, and I don't think you'd be able to push that out of the way. And they extend far enough around that a shim being slid round into the locking pull, I don't think that would work either. So yeah, in terms of being resistant against physical attacks, yeah, it's not bad actually. Especially if it's in the right location and you cover up that shackle. Yeah, pretty good. However, we all know that Master Lock tend to just, even if they put 5 pins in the core, they don't really sort of, well, you know, do much. So let's just have a go at picking this, shall we? Just using a shallow hook. Pin 4, pin 3, pin 2, it feels like. Pin 1, back to the back. Nothing on pin, oh, little click on pin 5 and 2 again, and we're open. There we go. So yeah, like we said, these are not locks which really demonstrate any anti-pick ability at all, frankly. I mean, just all standard pins. The bitting's rarely very extreme. Tensioning can be a little bit tricky because, you know, if you have a relatively thick tension tool, they tend to sort of turn and bind the core, but other than that, they don't really pose a lot of problems. In terms of raking this then, I think we should have a little go, shouldn't we? I'm just going to use another Southwold Max pick. It just felt like a Southwold Max day, I guess. And we're just going to put some light tension on and cycle this snake rake in the lock. And I'm trying to do a motion which is sort of like elliptical, maybe you know, a little rocking elliptical motion in the lock. I feel we're almost there, and we are. There we go. So yeah, just took longer to rake than it did to SPP. Then again, I'm not really the world's best raker, and it is a bit of a random activity. Anyway, there you go. That's the Master Lock 15. Pretty strong, but overall rather useless padlock. Alright, hope you enjoyed watching that, and I'll see you all next time.